Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad yummy. First, let's talk about your base. Always start with the freshest, crispest greens you can find, like vibrant romaine or tender spring mix. Remember to wash and thoroughly dry them. A salad spinner is a fantastic tool for this. Dry greens ensure your dressing adheres beautifully, preventing a watery, sad salad. Aim for a mix of textures to keep every bite interesting and delightful. Next, let's elevate the flavor with exciting toppings. Think beyond just vegetables. Introduce delightful crunch with toasted nuts, seeds, or even some homemade croutons. For burst of flavor, add sweet elements like fresh berries or savory roasted vegetables. Don't forget protein. Grilled chicken, chickpeas, or a perfectly boiled egg can transform your salad into a satisfying meal. These additions make every forkful a new adventure. Now for the heart of a yummy salad, the dressing. Homemade dressings are truly superior and surprisingly simple. Combine a good quality olive oil with your favorite vinegar, perhaps a balsamic or apple cider, and fresh herbs. A classic ratio is 3 parts oil to 1 part acid. Remember to season generously with salt, freshly ground pepper, and a hint of sweetness like honey or maple syrup for perfect balance. Finally, let's talk about mixing and presentation. The golden rule is to dress your salad right before serving. This prevents the greens from wilting and keeps everything wonderfully crisp. Use a generously sized bowl to ensure every single ingredient gets a lovely, even coating of your delicious dressing. A final flourish of fresh herbs or a sprinkle of crumbled cheese adds both flavor and visual appeal, making your salad truly irresistible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.